Hello, amazing and beautiful people. How are you doing? I hope you're doing great. Welcome back again to Susan Good TV. So guys, I'm going to show you guys how you can treat your hair, how you can give your hair a best treatment with just one ingredient, which is shea butter. Not only will I be showing you how I treat the hair with shea butter, I will also be allowing you guys to read some certain things about what shea butter does to our hair, so you have reason to start using yours. As you all know, what we do here is all about hair. We do all kinds of hair, both kids and adult hair. Thank you so much guys for your support, and if this is your first time, please don't forget to subscribe to Susan Good TV. Thank you so much. And to my returning subscriber, thank you and God bless you. So guys, what you just see the write up here is some of the things that shea butter can do to your hair. So that's why I give you a chance to read it, and I will be explaining it to you guys also, and some certain things that shea butter do to our hair. So you should be using it at least once in a month. You know, if you are the type of that make hair, you know, we all will change our hair once a month or twice a month. So what I will advise you to do is, whenever you are making your hair and you lose it and you want to wash your hair to make your hair for another, to prepare your hair for another hair to, I will advise you use shea butter. So these are the things I'm going to be using along with the hair. I have shower cap, plastic shower cap, but if you don't have it, so I'll be needing shower cap and also this hair dryer. So, and if you don't have shower cap, you can use a polythene. Anything plastic you have will just fine, because we need something that will make the heat, that will make the shea butter concentrate in our hair. Alright, that's what you need, either shower cap or plastic, polythene, so anything like that. So, and I will be leaving the link how I place this thing, so you can, if you like it to be using it, you can just place your order. I will start first by applying the shea butter around my hair. So after that, I will start applying it like, you know, the way you apply relaxer on your hair. That's how we're going to do it. I will start from the back, then come to the front, start applying it at round, just applying it round. Then before I start taking it, cutting it little by little and applying it just like that. And mind you, this shea butter, the way we are doing it now, we are doing this raw shea butter. This is not conditioning like already made. Alright, it's not leaving, it's not leaving condition. So what we're going to do, after we made it this way, after I use the hair dryer to dry it and everything, I'm going to wash it out. So if you have any conditioning, any leave-in condition with shea butter, you can use after, and maybe shampoo also that the shea butter products, you can also use it. But this way, please do not leave the hair, do not leave the shea butter in your hair. It's not a living condition, because this one is real, is raw, is pure. Okay, so that is why you need to wash it. And when you don't applying it and you wash it, you will see the difference between your hair, And also this shea butter, so some of the things it does to your hair, but you can also go and research it. Okay, some of the things it does to your hair is it reduces dryness and treats potential scalp damage. When scalp of the hair is damaged, your hair will start breaking. That is why most people, they lose their hair, but you don't understand why you lose your hair. So you have to treat your hair from the down, not from the tip. Alright, and also some of the things we eat at times also help our hair grow. But when your hair is not growing well, you have to treat your hair from the scalp. That is why this shea butter is good. You repair your hair from the scalp. Alright, and it also gives your hair that beautiful and shiny stuff. Okay guys, just you can always check about it. Alright, let me leave you guys to enjoy the music. So please, if you have not subscribed to Susango TV, do us a favor, subscribe to our channel and also share our video. Okay, thank you so much. And to my returning subscriber, how would I just go to say thank you to you all. I really appreciate you all for supporting this channel. Thank you, and I hope to see you in my next video. Bye for now. I love you, but know that God loves you more.
And I don't wanna be out of sight. The way I look fills me with fright. Well, I don't wanna be on the mic with all these words that I think are right. And I'm a child of details, and when I pin it, it's heads, not tails. Don't you think I lick my wounds, played this game and played the fools? Don't you think that I say la vie? Easy come and easy go. I'll go high when you go low. Don't you think that I say la vie? And I don't wanna be out of sight. The way I look fills me with fright. Well, I don't wanna be on the mic with all these words that I think are right. And I'm a child of details, and when I pin it, it's heads, not tails. Don't you think